Hey there, fellow maker. Welcome to the shop. You've got Bill here today, and
I'm Paige.
And we both participated in the PropTart Secret Santa gift exchange this year.
It is super duper fun. If you're not a member yet, then you should be in the PropTarts Facebook group. But basically, works the same way conventional Secret Santa works, except the organizers did a really great job of matching people up with similar skill sets, and also had you kind of list 3 or 4 things that you would be really excited to receive, so you don't know exactly what you're getting, but you can pretty much guarantee it's going to be from a franchise or something that you are a fan of.
Right.
And then everybody had several months to make the thing. It all got shipped out around the 1st of December, and today, December 20th, is PropTart Day. So everybody now gets to open all of their wonderful gifts, which we are doing right now. That bow was not attached.
Not attached.
It also didn't come with the box. You put your own bow on it.
So yeah, my giftee wanted something from the movie Oblivion, and your giftee wanted something from the game Skyrim.
Yep.
And they're watching us live, and we don't want to spoil it, but we'll put pictures up on the screen to show you what we've made.
It was a really fun, cool process.
Super, super fun.
Yeah.
So why don't we just dive right in? You want to open yours first?
I do!
With your pumpkin-covered knife?
I want to talk about it. I borrowed these X-Acto blades from Bill a while ago for Halloween to carve pumpkins, and I thought I cleaned all of them, but I apparently did not. So we've been waiting for months to be able to open these, and I'm very excited. We don't know what's in them at all. I actually don't even remember what I requested.
Me neither.
I think Lord of the Rings was on there. Skyrim might have been on there. There might have been Spyro. I'm not sure. Oh, that's great.
I'm just gonna...
Sorry, don't stab me in the eye. All right, so I immediately open this, and the first thing that I see is, it looks like meat's back on the menu, boys, which is great. Which I think Dave Freeman, Drew Freeman, sorry, I always want to call you Dave, is a member of the PropTarts, and that's kind of his shtick. Okay, I'll put that down now. Oh my god! This is crazy. Okay, hold on. Delicately removing. This is a whole foam Uruk.
Oh my god!
That is way cool. Look at this thing.
Wow. So it looks like, was that foam fabrication then?
Yeah, I think his whole shtick is foam fabrication, and that is very cool. It's got a strap and some foam in there. I have the tiniest head in the world, so I know for a fact it'll fit.
That's awesome! That's great. There's some really good texturing done on there. Look, it makes it look like it's hammered in some spots, scratched in other spots.
Hold it up here.
Some nice dry brushing, kind of dull looking iron with maybe a little bit of rust.
It totally looks like that rough movie look. That's really neat. That's
super cool. And that came, who is the PropTart?
This is Drew Freeman.
There you go, Drew.
And to my knowledge, that's his only handle. I don't know that it has another one. So from Drew Freeman, thank you ever so much. That is way cool.
That's so cool.
I wasn't sure if we were gonna, there's anywhere is possible on the scale of things to receive. So I had no idea if it was gonna be like a small thing or like, for example, my PropTart that I was sending something to specifically asked for something they could put on their desk.
That's a great idea.
So I made it, smallish. But a full-scale helmet is really
that would fit on your desk.
That's true, and it will probably live there now, next to my Spyro hat.
That is fantastic. Okay, it's my turn.
How are you going to wear that over the Spyro hat, though?
I think that would look really good in combo with
There's paper
Spyro
behind me.
Okay.
That is so cool.
Time for mine.
It's Bill's turn.
This is from Reciprocation Props. Jake sent this to me.
Who happens to be a friend of mine.
Oh, that's awesome.
Which is crazy. There's 5,000 PropTarts.
And I also forgot what I asked for.
I have excellent visibility in this.
That's great.
I can see very well. Now I feel like I need an Uruk costume.
But could you chase down and capture a pair of hobbits
and take them to Isengard? Yeah. Wait, there we go. We'll see.
Okay. I've liberated the top half. We've got quite a lot of packaging stuff here. We've got a note. Let's see here. Let's see. All right, so we've got notes about the specifics?
Oh yeah, so that was one of the not requirements per se, but one of the things they were going to have you do is you include a letter with your prop to explain the process, what it's made out of. So not only are you getting just a cool prop, but you're also getting some insight as to how it was made, because as makers, we all find that stuff cool.
This came with an entire like manual. Look at, you gotta see this. Here, can you scoot that a little bit? There's a whole Vault Tech user manual with fold out pages.
That's awesome.
Look at this, and stencils and stuff for decals. This may be a kit that I have to assemble. I'm thinking that might be the case. We've got some wiring.
Yeah, so that was another thing that you could check. If you wanted to receive a kit that you could put together yourself, or a fully completed prop, you could make that note as well, which I think is really great. They did a really good job of making it specific to what you would really like to receive.
So this, to me, looks like a resin kit of a laser rifle from Fallout. Or laser pistol, I'm sorry.
No, it's 3D printed.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, knowing Jake, that's all.
Well, you tricked me, Jake. It looks like a resin kit, so you did a bang-up job sanding this nice and smooth. These pieces look gorgeous.
Yeah.
I have never done a laser rifle or a laser pistol. I know they're some of the most popular weapons from Fallout. So here's the handle. And then I imagine this is the body. We've got a little card there for Jake. Love it.
Ta-da.
And then the main body. The piece there is a stone.
That's awesome.
What? So we've got some parts here that will, of course, have to be assembled. But this looks amazing. Here, could you hold that for me,
I absolutely
Paige?
can.
I can move all this stuff out of the way. I think I got everything. This is incredible. Thank you so much, Jake.
Cool.
You've done all the hard work. All I have to do is paint it, and it's gonna be really, really cool.
You can put it on the shelf next to your Good Samaritan.
Yes! Look at this. The ammo thing has a magnet in it, so it can hold it in there.
That's amazing.
I feel like, I mean, your helmet's pretty cool, but I feel like I won the lottery with this one.
That's pretty sweet. That's amazing. That is very, very cool.
This is so neat. Well, thank you, Jake. Who did yours?
Drew Freeman, thank you. This
Drew,
is super cool.
You guys are the best. All the PropTarts are the best.
Now I'm thinking about, like, what does a lady Uruk-hai warrior look like?
Yeah.
I would never have considered doing an Uruk-hai costume, but now that I have a helmet, I'm like, why not do an Uruk-hai costume?
I like that Jake had a spare McMaster car bag.
Yeah, that's perfect.
To put all the pieces in. Great. Well, we'll get some footage of some nice beauty shots of these to lay over what we're doing right now. But again, thank you everyone who participated. We'll have a link to the PropTart group down below in the description if you want to join in on next year's thing. They tend to start like 6 months in advance.
Yeah, they did a really good job of starting them super early. I think we were notified at the beginning of this one in like July.
Yeah. So you have time. You have lots of time. But join the PropTarts group now. Anyone can join. It's a wonderful group of makers.
Yeah, not only is it a great resource for fun stuff like this, but people ask questions all the time. I'm in it, Bill's in it. A lot of our friends are in it, like Eric Jones from Core Geek and Steven from SKS Props.
Steve Meisner from Solo Roboto.
And
a lot of really good minds in there helping people learn and work on their own projects.
It's a really great way to access a lot of really phenomenal makers, and also people just from all over the place. We have over 5,000 PropTarts right now, I think, which is
it's bonkers.
Really, really cool. It's a cool group. This is so crazy.
I know. I just want to play with this now.
we're gonna go now.
Play, Thank you everyone again for participating, and thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you had a wonderful year. We had a really crazy, awesome year. This is a pretty awesome way to put a cap on it.
Yeah, that doesn't suck at all.
All right, time to get back to work.
Bye, guys. If by work you mean play with my new helmet and hunt hobbits all day.
Okay. If you can find a way to make money that way, then I'm for it. All right, later, gang. We'll see you in the next build.
Bye. Oh, you got fun stuff on yours. Is that pumpkin? I bet it is.
These are new.
Well, remember I borrowed some to carve pumpkins?
That would be, you can use that one.
I thought I cleaned them all, but maybe I didn't.
You definitely did not clean that one. You can have the pumpkin knife.
It's a gammy pumpkin knife.
Okay.